Naga Students Federation NSF conducts symbolic demonstration in Kohima coinciding with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit. International Women's Day being celebrated today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi pays tribute to achievements of country's Nari Shakti. BJP leader Manik Shah sworn in as Chief Minister of Tripura for second term. Chief Minister N. Biren attends oath-taking ceremony. Gold biscuits worth Rs 3 million smuggled from Manipur seized by railway police from Guwahati railway station. Smuggler held. Hello and welcome. You're watching IS English News. Now the news in a bit more detail. The Naga Students Federation NSF conducted symbolic demonstrations across strategic locations in Kohima, coinciding with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit on Tuesday in pursuit of a solution to the protracted Naga political issue. Students holding placards stood at 3 strategic locations, namely at Old MIA Junction, Phulbari and NSF Martyrs Park, adjacent to the Capital Cultural Hall where the new government swearing-in ceremony took place. NSF President Kegwe Huntep told East Mojo that the NSF feels that the Naga political issue is almost forgotten. While BJP advocated for election for solution in the past election, he said that 5 years have lapsed, but no solution had been arrived at. With the election of a new government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state, he hoped that the aspirations of Nagas would be heard by the tallest leaders. The NSF, he said, has done nothing wrong by taking to the street to voice out the aspirants in the Nagas, aspirations of the Nagas. TEP assured that NSF would continue to strive till the sovereign rights of the Nagas are achieved. He also urged the elected representatives to be serious about the issue and at the same time urged the negotiators to also cooperate. International Women's Day is being celebrated today. The day is celebrated on the 8th of March every year to help forge a gender-equal world, celebrate women's achievement, and their increasing visibility in every sphere of life. On the occasion of International Women's Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid his tribute to the achievements of the country's Nari Shakti. In a tweet, Modi emphasized on Nari Shakti for New India and said that the country greatly cherished the role of women in its progress. He reiterated that the government will keep working to further women empowerment. This day celebrates the cultural, political, economic, and social achievements of women. It also highlights the extraordinary roles played by women in almost every walk of life and celebrates acts of courage and determination by ordinary women. United Nations observance of International Women's Day under the theme Digital Innovation and Technology for Gender Equality recognizes and celebrates the women and girls who are championing the advancement of transformative technology and digital education. Meanwhile, women are playing a major role in fast-moving Mumbai city. All women employees are operating through metro and one local station in the city. International Women's Day 2023 was celebrated by 44 Assam Rifles Battalion, Tamenglong, under the aegis of Headquarters 22 Sector Assam Rifles. The event was celebrated with zeal and fervor. V. Beniwal, officiating commandant, 44 Assam Rifles, interacted with rifle women and civilian families at the battalion headquarters, Tamenglong, at the occasion. Discussions on women's achievements in social, economic, cultural, and political spheres and the aspects of women's rights and gender parity in the society were held. Beniwal commended the women of the Northeast for their tough role in the society, starting from homemaking to winning medals in Olympics or serving in the security forces. He urged the fairer gender to make International Women's Day their day and to do what they can to truly make a positive difference in the society and for a strong and powerful India. Now, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader Dr. Manik Shah on March 8 took oath as Chief Minister of Tripura for the second term in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The oath ceremony was held at Vivekananda Maidan in Agartala, and BJP senior leaders like Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP Chief JP Nadda and several CMs of BJP-ruled states were present on the occasion. On March 6, Saha staked a claim to form the government after he was elected unanimously by the newly elected BJP MLA in the state. Additionally, the other MLAs also took an oath of office today. In the recently concluded assembly elections, the Saffron Party won 32 seats out of 60 with a vote share of around 39%. On the other hand, Tripura Motha came out as the second largest party, securing 13 seats. It is worth mentioning that Saha was made the Chief Minister of the state in 2022, replacing Biplab Dev just a few months before the election. He joined the BJP in 2016 after quitting the Congress. He was elected to the Rajya Sabha in March 2022. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh shared a moment with his Arunachal Pradesh counterpart Pema Khandu and Sikkim counterpart Prem Singh Tamang before attending the swearing-in ceremony of the new government of Tripura in Agartala today. Manipur Governor Sushri Anusuya Uike has extended heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Holi, the festival of colors. She also witnessed Holi Sankirtan hymns performed by different Holi Palas in Raj Bhavan in Impal today. Now, a large quantity of gold biscuits worth Rs 30 lakh was seized by the Government Railway Police GRP on March 8 at the Guwahati railway station. Reports suggest that GRP carried out an operation at Paltan Bazaar railway station, during which they were able to successfully seize a significant quantity of gold biscuits from Rajdhani Express. The 20 gold biscuits that were seized weighed 3.20 kilograms and are suspected to be worth Rs 3 million, according to the report. In the meantime, one person, Sharif Alam, was apprehended by the police in connection with the seizure. It is confirmed that the gold biscuits were smuggled from Manipur to the national capital, but they were stopped in Guwahati. Similarly, in yet another incident of gold smuggling, on March 7, GRP seized a significant amount of gold at Guwahati railway station. In connection with the seizure, one individual, Sampat Rao, was also taken into custody. Approximately 320 grams of gold were seized from the alleged smuggler. According to sources, the suspect was apprehended based on specific information. It was discovered that the gold had been smuggled from Agartala to the capital but had been intercepted in Guwahati. It was reported that the seized gold would cost Rs 20 lakhs. It is time for a short break. We'll be back with the latest updates.
Ana Layengi office ki thabak amadi koi bachat pada India ki konung New Delhi da laifam laitaba ki awaba kok lagani. Delhi airport kayam naknana lairiba Mahipalpur da Manipur miyam ki damakta laizare Hotel Ambrosia. Laifam ki oina lupa lising amadagi hauraga pung kunmari pickup amadi drop ki taxi service laigani. Restaurant service ka loinana tongan ba khudong chaba kaya phangbigani. Vishal Mega Mart, Ambience Mall, DLF Mall amadi irap laptana nungairaba mafam kaya yobada khudong charaba mafam amani. Ngasi ma contact tawbirau Hotel Ambrosia, A217 Road number 6, Mahipalpur. Phone number 9643504772.
And welcome back. Tokyo Olympic Games silver medalist and weightlifter Saikhom Mirabai Chanu from Manipur has won the 2022 BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Award ISWOTY after a public vote. With this, the 28-year-old weightlifter has become the first athlete to win the prestigious award twice in a row. She also won the award in 2021. Quote-unquote, elated to win the BBC Sportswoman of the Year award 2 times in a row. Thank you, BBC India, for recognizing the women in sports and honoring me and my fellow athletes, Padma Shri Mirabai posted on Twitter. Earlier, the weightlifter from Manipur's Imphal East also won the 3rd edition of the BBC ISWOTY 2021. The other shortlisted contenders for the award were wrestlers Vinesh Phogat and Sakshi Malik, boxer Nikhat Zairin, and badminton player PV Sindhu. Table tennis player Bhavina Patel bagged the BBC Para Sportswomen of the Year, a category introduced in this year's edition. And now we have some sports news. SH Sandeep Datta, IGP of Manipur and Nagaland Sector CRPF, Langjing, today sent off a Jeet Kune Do team to participate in the 2nd World Jeet Kune Do Championship to be held in Sri Lanka. The team departed from Bir Tikendrajit International Airport, Imphal. The team was selected by Jeet Kune Do Martial Arts Federation of India. Maipakpi Hospital Managing Director Dr. Tomba and social worker Nandalal Angomja were present at the occasion. They wished the Jeet Kune Do players good luck. The 2nd World Jeet Kune Do Championship will be held from March 10 to 12 at Provincial Sports Complex, Digana, Kandy, Sri Lanka. Now, DLC Hairok Part 2 Mayai Lekai kicked off its 19th Yaosang Sports Festival 2023 at the local club ground. The torch rally to mark the opening of the annual sports meet was participated by a large number of people, local boys and girls. Star striker Sunil Chhetri struck a late goal as a substitute to help Bengaluru FC eke out a 1-0 win over Mumbai City FC in the first leg of the Indian Super League ISL semi-finals in Mumbai on Tuesday. Chhetri's 78th minute goal gave the Blues a vital advantage ahead of the second leg in Bengaluru on Sunday. As they have all season, the Islanders were once again the team that dominated possession and created more scoring chances than their opponents. In cricket, Gujarat Giants will take on Royal Challengers Bangalore in the Women's Premier League WPL at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai this evening. The match will start at 7:30 p.m. Earlier last night, Delhi Capitals defeated UP Warriors by 42 runs at Dr. D.Y. Patil Sports Academy in Navi, Mumbai. And now, before we wrap up the news, the headlines once again. Naga Students Federation NSF conducts symbolic demonstration in Kohima coinciding with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit. International Women's Day being celebrated today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi pays tribute to achievements of country's Nari Shakti. BJP leader Manik Shah sworn in as Chief Minister of Tripura for second term. Chief Minister N. Biren attends oath-taking ceremony. Gold biscuits worth rupees 3 million smuggled from Manipur seized by railway police from Guwahati railway station. Smuggler held. That is all the news we have for now. Thank you for watching, and Iscom wishes you a very happy holiday.